Hello everyone and welcome to my channel of Learn English and Luganda with Kamlegea Ben. If you're looking forward to learning Luganda and English, I got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Click the notification icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. That is, subscribe, like, share. Meet up. Trigraph. 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 Trigraph is a single sound that comes from joining three letters. A trigraph is a single sound that comes from joining three letters. Eddoboozi eriva mu kugatta ennyukuta essatu. Eddoboozi eriva mu kugatta ennyukuta essatu. Or a trigraph is when three letters are used to represent one sound. Is when three letters are used to represent one sound. Okukozesa ennyukuta ssatu okufunamu eddoboozi limu. Okukozesa ennyukuta ssatu okufunamu eddoboozi limu. A trigraph can contain consonants, vowels, or a mixture of both. A trigraph can contain consonants, vowels, or a mixture of both. And we looked at consonants and vowels in playlist 1. So if you didn't watch it, please do. A trigraph can contain consonants, vowels, or a mixture of both. And this in Luganda it means trigraph esobola okubaamu consonant, vowel, oba byonna. Esobola okubaamu consonants, vowels, oba byonna. And if you want to know more about consonants, refer to the video above. Let's go into examples such that you understand. Examples of trigraph. 1. Oa, as in boa. Oa, as in boa. So please note, ORE is a trigraph. It's composed of letter O, R, and E. So the sound is oa, forming boa. We can have many words with ORE. An example is boa. Oa osobola okufunamu boa. From oa, which is a trigraph because it is made up of three letters, you can combine them, and once you add B on it, it forms boa. So our trigraph is ORE, forming the sound of oa. Example 2. EAR. Letters EAR. They form ear sound. So ear, it composed of E, A, and R. So it is a trigraph. And ear can form another word, for example, beard. Ear, as in beard. So EAR can form beard. Example 3. I is composed of I, G, and H, forming sound I. I can formulate other words like hi, which is H-I-G-H, forming hi. IGG tusobola okugikomayininga ne tufunamu hi, ekitegeeza waggulu. Example. The next example. TCH, forming sound ch. TCH, it forms sound chi. So in sound chi, we can form words like catch, catch. Catch is C-A-T-C-H. So the trigraph here is TCH, forming the sound of ch. So TCH we form catch, and many other words. TCH, so funamu catch, catch. Okay, let's go to the next example. U-R-E, forming the sound of ua. U-R-E, forming ua. U-R-E, we can formulate other words. For example, when you add P, we can form pure, pure. So it comes from U-R-E, that sound, that trigraph, forming pure. So mu U-R-E, tusobola pure. Okay, we shall continue on with more trigraphs in the next video. Hope you've got something. Bye bye. Weraba.